So, you want to get a fringe? The cutting of hair with kitchen scissors is an old feminine tradition. You look at yourself in the mirror, you know that this is a long term commitment, and yet nothing can stop you. Welcome to the Girls Club. Now, the only question you have to answer is this: how do you pick a fringe that's right for you? And that is what we will figure out in this episode. But first, are you here because of Sabrina Carpenter's hair? I thought so. Let's start with the curtain bang style first. Luckily for us, since this style is so popular on TikTok, we're given a bazillion and one tutorials on how to achieve this look and do it all by yourself. And before you start cutting your hair, please remember that you can always cut more, but you cannot put it back. The curtain bangs are perfect for framing your eyes and cheekbones. As a general rule, your bangs draw attention to the part of your face where they end. The curtain bangs feel like less of a commitment than the blunt bangs, for example, because you can slightly tuck it away and it grows out very nicely, and you can put it away much sooner than some other styles. Sabrina Carpenter's bangs give off this sexy, fun, and playful vibe that so many of us girlies genuinely love. And with a little styling in the morning, you're ready for the day. No wonder why we are obsessing over the style so much. Something to note about the curtain fringe style is that it will give you a little mystery by hiding you a little bit behind it. So, if you need some boost to your confidence, this style can make you feel more secure than the blunt fringe, for example. If your goal is to add a little more sensuality to your look, then the curtain bangs will do that for you. The blunt fringe will give you more of that Devil Wears Prada stylish look, and the wispy fringe will make you look more fun and relatable, like an influencer girly. The blunt fringe not only looks sharp, but it can also sharpen your facial features. Your eyes, lips, and nose will look more defined with the style. Before committing to this fringe, make sure that you are not trying to soften your look, because this fringe will do the opposite of that. This style gives off a confident and bold vibe. This is not a style that you can easily hide away or hide behind, like with the curtain bangs, for example. This style is perfect for those who want to draw more attention to their face and emphasize or sharpen their facial features. The wispy fringe is the perfect choice if you want to add more fun to your look and soften your features. This fringe acts like a filter on your face and has a very light weight to it. Because this style is so see-through, its commitment level lies somewhere between the curtain fringe and the blunt fringe. This style can make you look more fun, friendly, and relatable. It can make you loosen up a bit and make you feel more carefree. Getting bangs is a long-term commitment that we sign up for rather quickly and impulsively. But it doesn't mean that cutting your hair is always a mistake. It can be fun and you can get it right the first time, but it rarely happens that way. Most likely, you will need to make a few tiny adjustments after the fact to make it look better. What fringe style are you getting next? Let me know in the comments. Until next time.